Elon Musk just revealed new Tesla Model 4. There was a time when the Tesla Model 4 was only a mystery, but now Elon Musk has made some big claims about the car. And recently, there have been rumors of a new Model 4. Elon Musk gave the public a quick glimpse at Tesla's future Model 4. He said that almost anyone would be able to buy the fourth generation of cars because it would be cheap. Musk also said during a question and answer session that car prices would go down because of economies of scale and higher production rates. The price of the Model 3 started at about $35,000. This is a big difference from the Model S, which started at around $70,000. It would also be one of the safest cars in the world. Musk says that the base price of the next Tesla will be even less than the $35,000 mark for the Model 3. There's a reason why electric cars with a lot of power cost more. The price is mostly determined by the batteries, but he had to say in his speech that more people buying electric cars and making more of them would bring costs down. To find out if the Tesla Model is the best car ever made by the company, watch the video till the end, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more Tesla updates. Musk says it would also be one of the safest cars on the road because the Model 4 came with Tesla's cutting-edge autopilot when it was released about 6 years ago. As a result, Tesla is the first car company to have a market capitalization of more than $1 trillion. Tesla's and the auto industry's recent successes show that the electric vehicle revolution has already started and will keep going. The battery industry is going through a big change, but interestingly, the price of battery parts is going up at the same rate. The rapid rise in the price of raw materials like lithium is what's driving the industry's growth. The price of batteries for electric cars has gone up. Musk recently wrote on Twitter that rising raw material and logistics costs were putting a lot of pressure on Tesla and SpaceX. This is true. Inflation in the US has gone up by 7.9% this year because of higher prices for food, oil, and services. Since the heavy industry started to grow, the price of steel, nickel, and palladium, which are used to make electric vehicles, has gone up. It was thought that Russia's invasion of Ukraine would cause the price of high-performance batteries to go down, but this hasn't happened yet. Musk is not the kind of person who would cry about it or stop doing what he does. The Model 4 shows how much he cares about Tesla. Ultra-compact electric cars, like the Nissan Leaf, have already copied the Model 4's ladybug-shaped hatchback design. With its two-door cars that look more like golf carts than regular cars, the smart car has greatly shrunk the size of electric cars. It's hard to imagine anyone wanting something so ugly and in the shape of a beetle, but it's the next step in the development of the popular miniatures Model 4. It will also have a lot more independence. Tesla's autopilot is already one of the most advanced semi-autonomous driving programs on the road, and this technology is only getting better as more and more vehicles use it. As Musk told the Wall Street Journal, autonomy is Tesla's priority. I think it will be unusual to see cars that don't have full autonomy in 15 to 20 years, Musk said, and for Tesla, it will be a lot sooner than that. Whatever Musk has up his sleeve for the next generation Tesla, you can bet that it will be cheaper, smaller, and smarter. The key to the adoption of environmentally friendly vehicles will be autonomous driving technology, and Musk said people will trust self-driving cars surprisingly quickly. He said that when we look at the data of cars where autopilot is turned on or off, the probability of having an accident is 50% lower if you have autopilot on, even with our first version. Musk said even with this early version, it's almost twice as good as with a person. Yeah, you said that now. I'm sure that you're dying to know where will the Model 4 be produced. Tesla's plant in Fremont, Texas, Giga, is where the Model Y and eventually the Cybertruck are made. The Models S3 and X are made in California. The Model 4 will use Tesla's most cutting-edge technologies, like the 4680 battery cell with a fully autonomous driving mode. Even though the Tesla Gigafactory in Texas is currently on a careful accent, it will likely be made at the Giga Texas facility. The building of the project is moving along quickly. Preparations at the Giga Texas base of operations give an idea of how many cars will come out of the recently open facility once it gets into its stride, and the factory keeps making models. The 4S from the future Tesla's Gigafactory in Texas is the company's newest and some say most advanced place to make electric cars. For now, the plant is making the Model Y crossover, but it also plans to make some of the company's most important future products like the Cybertruck and Model 4. Giga Texas is expected to build vehicles like the Tesla Semi. During a recent fly by drone pilot Jeff Roberts, was able to take pictures of some progress at the site. The fact that Giga Texas staff parking spaces are already pretty full shows that the facility's headcount is growing. More Model Ys have been seen at the facility's staging yard, but the flow of cars from the plant remains planned. The loading base for vehicle carrier trucks at the Giga Texas staging area which is currently being painted, was also visible. So far, about 18 vehicle carrier spaces have been painted, but the size of the area means that more slots will probably be added in the next few days. Tesla wants to make more of the vehicles that have already been shown. This list includes the Cybertruck, which is a fully electric pickup, the Semi, which is a fully electric semi-trailer, and the Model 3, which is the company's best-selling model worldwide. Every month, Tesla sales are expected to be 63.4% higher than at the same time last year. Actual auto sales were used to make the September prediction this week. TrueCar's sales of cars did better than expected. We can all agree that their prediction of a 63% increase in Tesla sales over last year is a big improvement, since the data from last year show what will happen to the business in the near future. Musk also talked about the robotaxi that might come out this year. Tesla plans to make a robotaxi that doesn't have a steering wheel or pedals. This vehicle is said to be a mix of Uber and Airbnb. Musk said that the robotaxi will be highly optimized for self-driving, which means it won't have a steering wheel or pedals. It will also come with a number of other innovations that he thinks are pretty cool. I think the robotaxi will be a huge part of Tesla's growth, and that I think it can be a very powerful product. Companies like Alphabet's Waymo, Argo AI, Aurora, GM's self-driving subsidiary, Cruise Missouri National, and Zoox have been working on autonomous vehicle technology for robotaxis for years. This puts Tesla in competition with these companies. Musk has been teasing robotaxis for years, but never as a standalone product like the one he talked about recently. Instead, he has repeatedly promised to turn current Tesla vehicles into their own robotaxis using an upgraded advanced driving system called the Full Self-Driving Software, which costs $12,000 right now. AI Day after his most recent comments was a big success. AI Day 2 will be full of interesting conversations and stations where cutting-edge technology will be shown. There has already been a Tesla AI Day where the company talked about its work in artificial intelligence. In a Twitter exchange, CEO Elon Musk gave a brief but interesting preview of the upcoming event. He said that many fans expect this event to have interesting hardware demonstrations and a lot of technical information. So we can expect that with a better training set for the car's AI system, the Tesla Model 4 will be able to drive completely by itself and protect other people's safety. Will everyone be able to afford the Model 4, or is it just another luxury car for the rich? We will see in the future. That was all about for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like and share the video, and tell us in the comment section what you think about this new model. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.